What? Ha! What? Lyric Catalyst. BK. AM. Swallow. Swallow. Issue. Okay, ngena zonke silence afune nonsense. Ngidayisela iflow edakayo plus ngiphethe license. Bethi baphethe le yi-past tense. Ngibulala ama-gems umrapper nge-domestos bathi domestic violence. Buka ngama-curtain ngakini big stepsin. Zokuvisa umpethe igwegwe wena ushaya stepsin. Uyakhuluma ekhanda ku-empty netin. Kweletisa ama-rapper is so easy ukongibuza ka-Capfin. Ama-shark no fin wena una-luck dolphin. Kade ungayifaka estofini i-fake nigga wimofin. Imnyama ngifaka i-gunpowder coffin anginamngane emthofini. Zokungcwaba ungakafi while you still coughing your coffin. Play my cards right ngisanda qeda igame ye-solitaire. Dlala rough wicket ngishisa umoya athi akayitholi ifair. Better hold your breath ngiqeda umoya like I don't care. uChris Brown ongenayo indlalifa you got no air.
Asikwazi intokohlela singena sesikhahlela bebezama ukusivalela gcwala songena go-backdoor. Vele sayihlanyela inamba sekushayela sebezama ukusithathela still songena go-backdoor. Songena go-backdoor. Arts manufacturers songena go-backdoor. Songena go-backdoor. Now uzongiremember gcwala sesingena go-backdoor. Angibenzi ingqamo ngibakhende mangiqeda ngishaya isithende. Back pass so you can pass back let game siqede. Kill ngine-funeral parliament. Yabanda ngifaka i-first coat ne-second coat bathi ngishaya upende. Sure akusenani ma-outs asale sespenda. Onocash ogcwele ngale skill akasale sespenda. Ofit la unomona mubone isidudla slender. Sazonyakaza umhlaba mubone isidudla slender. Angidlali noStaya angidlali nengane enyakaza ukhakhaya. Awudlali lokhuwayi ngifuna ukubhemisa uNadia Nakhaya. Angishayi neslayi anginaluza iwina anginathi Angishayi nokubayi ngithusa ingedla kuvuka i-high. Ngishaya i-Hammond and play i-pet dog lamani. Lyrically I'm insane ozama mina uzamani. Ngishaya i-cheap champagne uyitshela ukuthi uJamani. Cherokee ibiza ngoShamaine kanti yakathamani. Asikade intokohlela singena sesikhahlela bebezama ukusivalela gcwala songena go-backdoor. Vele sayihlanyela inamba sekushayela sebezama ukusithathela still songena go-backdoor. Songena go-backdoor. Arts manufacturers songena go-backdoor. Songena go-backdoor. Now uzongiremember gcwala sesingena go-backdoor.
Swallow Swallow Issue Mami Lyric Catalyst.
Asikade intokohlela singena sesikhahlela bebezama ukusivalela gcwala songena go-backdoor. Vele sayihlanyela inamba sekushayela sebezama ukusithathela still songena go-backdoor. Songena go-backdoor. Arts manufacturers songena go-backdoor. Songena go-backdoor. Now uzongiremember gcwala sesingena go-backdoor.
Ungagcwali nge-AM awukho serious ngempilo yazi. Recognition the mixtape. Yeah, standing guy. Yona you like it. What? AM, zongiremember boy.